There's a guide in there to becoming an ambassador, and inside you'll find lots of information about what the charter is.
Go online and use technology safely.
And why is that important?
So kids don't get bullied online.
Yeah, that's really important.
In this kids' charter, it says that children should have to say what matters to them.
We decided to make some posters that sort of look like the charter in the books that we got.
We've gathered this morning to launch the Child Development Council's Charter Ambassador Program. Celebrate the children and young people who have generously volunteered to be ambassadors.
Every year in South Australia, 20,000 babies are born. It's a big job to make sure that every one of those babies today grows up healthy and strong, and that all children and young people today have the best lives they can. It's a big job, but we can do it together, and our work has just begun. Thank you very much.